A picture of a painter with pen.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying.
How to draw a cat on wall.
Who in the hell, man? Just go. Get it go. Get it go. Get it go. And just ride. Get it ride. Get it ride. Get it roll. Pump it up. Get it. Hey DJ, play that funky beat. All the kids say movies beat to the music.
How to remove a green toothbrush in your mouth.
I would just like to talk about the aggression in this comment because it was kind of unnecessary. And now all those video signs are done, and if you would have checked, you could have seen that I had already done Leo and it was in the playlist. Anyway, thank you for the comment and boosting the video. Love you guys, bye.
A picture of a man on cell phone.
God bless God.
Hey, Quadale Dingo here.
A picture of a drawing on poster. Close-up of a face drawing. Black and white picture of girl reading a book.
Showtimes are on the hour. Not a moment before and not a moment later. I'm sorry, but there was never enough room on this stage for any of us.
A piece of paper with a string on it.
The longer I've waited, the more that I've tried. All the years that I've wasted, trying to find it. All that I go through for my peace of mind. Let it all go.
A piece of paper with a drawing. How to make a ruler and piece of paper. A picture of a table with chair and magazine. Reflection of person in a mirror.
It's just one serving? And they're charging almost 3,000 yen for it? That's obscene. Who would spend that much money on a coffee jelly? I would. What was I thinking? Not to mention it's only 55 grams. Could the taste of this one really be more satisfying than eating 48 cups of the kind in the 3-pack? I mean, coffee jelly is coffee jelly. One kind can't be that much better than any other. But with that price tag, it's gotta be pretty good. And if it's not, well, considering that I just blew my...
A drawing of a girl with red hair and headphones. Brushing her hair in a mirror.
add a little bit of spice.
Face drawn on a piece of paper.
Okay, so here's a new art challenge. Draw one of your characters with this absolute nightmare of a filter, and then show us what they actually look like. I'm so curious how people are drawing successfully with this because it makes me want to bash my head in.
Poster of a woman with long blonde hair.
Delve into emotion, leave us in this moment. Yeah.
I would love to do a sun. Normally draw suns like this. Try this for an alternative. Draw a circle inside of another circle, and then on the outside, make 8 evenly spaced tick marks, extend them into even lines, and then make triangles out of them. And add wavy rays in between. Shading is optional.